Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to create highlights on Instagram. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and head over to your profile. So as you can see, I have already created a highlight. If I go on it, I'll get to see my highlights. I'm just deleting it. Remove from highlight and it is removed. So here I'm going to create a new highlight for my Instagram. So what I will do is tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And from here, I'll go to the archive section. And here I will go to post story archive. Just tap on post archive. Now just go to stories archive. So once you're there, you will find the stories that you have posted on your Instagram. So select a story of which you want to make a highlight of. So I'm just selecting this one. Now tap on the three lines icon on the top. Tap on create highlight. Now select a story. Now tap on next. And here you can just tap on edit cover and change the highlight cover, or you can also use cover from your Instagram, from your mobile gallery. So once you are done, tap on done. And here name your highlight. Suppose I'm naming it noon and tap on done. And if you go back to your profile, you can see my highlight is created. So this is how you can do this too. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.